god. Hey, I wonder if there's like a screen protector that could like protect both of my stuff, like my AirPods and my phone. Cause I could have lost something, you know, and these things are expensive.
Do you have a problem with consistently dropping your phone and AirPods? Well, for free today, you can get the ultimate convenience, a phone case with built-in AirPod case as well. Get yours for free today.